In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Trello for event planning, step by step, so you can organize tasks, manage vendors, track progress, and keep everything in one simple visual workspace. Whether you're planning a wedding, corporate event, birthday party, or community gathering, Trello makes it incredibly easy to stay on top of every moving part. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Trello and create a brand new board specifically for your event. Click on Create, then choose Create Board. Give your board a clear name, something like Annual Conference 2026 or Sarah's Wedding Planning. This keeps everything focused on one dedicated workspace instead of mixing it with other projects. Once your board is created, the next step is to name your lists. Lists are the vertical columns that help you organize different stages or categories of your event. For event planning, a great starting structure is To Do, In Progress, Vendors, Booked, and Completed. You can fully customize these based on your needs. To create more lists, click on Add List on the right side of your board. Type the name of the list and click Add List again. Repeat this process until you have all the categories you need. For example, you might add lists for budget, marketing, guest list, logistics, or catering. These lists act like folders that group similar tasks together. Now that your lists are ready, it's time to start adding tasks. Inside any list, click Add Card. Cards represent individual tasks. For example, under the To-Do list, you might create cards like Book Venue, Confirm Caterer, Design Invitations, or Arrange Sound System. After typing the task name, click Add Card to create more tasks quickly. When you click on a card, it opens a detailed view where you can add more information. Inside the card, you can fill in notes with important details, such as vendor contact information, pricing, deadlines, or special requirements. This keeps all relevant information attached directly to the task, so you don't have to search through emails later. As work progresses, you can easily move cards from one list to another. Simply drag and drop the card from To Do to In Progress, and then to Completed once it's finished. This gives you a clear visual overview of how your event planning is moving forward. To make your board even more organized, you can use labels. Open a card, such as Finalize Venue Setup, and click on Labels, and then choose Edit Labels. Here, you can highlight different colors and even create a new label. For example, you might use green for confirmed vendors, yellow for pending approvals, and red for urgent tasks. Click Create to make a new label, customize its name and color, and then click Save. Labels make it easy to scan your board and instantly understand priorities. Another powerful feature for event planning is checklists. Open a card, such as Finalize Venue Setup, and click on Checklist. Then click Add and start listing smaller steps inside that task. For example, confirm seating layout, test lighting, arrange stage decorations, and review safety guidelines. Each checklist item can be checked off individually, giving you more detailed progress tracking within a single task. You can return to your board anytime and click on different cards to update notes, adjust labels, or add new checklist items as your event evolves. Trello keeps everything centralized, which is especially helpful if you're collaborating with a team. You can invite team members to the board so everyone stays aligned and accountable. By using boards for your event, lists for categories, cards for tasks, labels for priority, and checklists for detailed steps, you create a complete event management system that's simple but extremely effective. And that's how you use Trello for event planning. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.